Hello, YouTube. It's been a long time. This is Dark Age Growing. I was in a major funk last year, and, well, as you can see, my garden kind of shows it. This is February 21st. That's a dog you haven't ever seen before. His name's Blue, and he digs up my garden. I have to build a gate. Hi, Blue. Hi, get down. To keep him out of my garden. But I'm gonna get back in the swing of things, get this garden whipped into shape, build a gate that's taller, because that gate's too short. And hopefully keep the dog out of the garden and grow lots of food. This year looks like it could be one of the worst growing years on record worldwide. Australia is already reporting up to a 60% decrease in their total food production. That stacked on top of locusts in Africa, Middle East, and Asia. The world is going to be at a food deficit. And I don't want to pay for it. Food prices are going to go up here, just like I was worried about 2 years ago. But it's going to be a real thing. Real thing. Well, I'm going to keep this short. I got work to do.